In this video, I want to explain to you on how to fix the problem you might be facing when trying to link up your Paga account with your PayPal account. This particular problem happened to me in the previous months, and I tried to reach out with Pagas using their customer services, and they responded perfectly. An instruction was sent to my email address on how to get this issue fixed, and I did that, and this issue was fully corrected. First, this is my Paga account, and to take a look at what is happening here, you can see that I have my Paga account linked with my PayPal account, meaning I have a PayPal account. What was the issue was that there was a mismatch in my name. So that was the only issue I had. Then I reached out with Paga customer services using my laptop, and they responded. So here is information given to me by one Mr. Azizat Sikiru. That was May 22. You can see it here. And I will read everything out here so that you'll be able to see what is here. I'm sorry to learn that you are unable to link your PayPal account to your Paga account due to information mismatch. Kindly follow the step below to request for your personal information data from PayPal account. So all I have to do is to check through my Paga account by coming to this place and take a look at my details. So under my profile, I was able to access my name as it was arranged, as well as my email address. So once I check it and follow this and follow the instruction given to me here on this email address, that I should log into my PayPal account, click on settings, go to data and privacy, select download, and correct this information. So in order to do this, you need to use your laptop. You cannot fix this issue using your PayPal mobile apps. You need to log into your PayPal account using your laptop. So before I go into my laptop, I make sure that I check my PayPal accounts and fully know that the name was not arranged accordingly. And once I log into my PayPal account on my laptop, or I requested that they should change my name from how it was arranged previously to what you see on the screen. And once I submitted that form, I waited. Guys, you have to wait, because once you submitted this request, you have to wait. And I waited for their response. So I will show you everything here. This email was sent to me on May 22, and that same day I did exactly what I was told to do. Then on May 29th, that is 7 days after, 7 working days, a message was sent to me that we've updated your legal name. Meanwhile, while doing this, the possibility of you submitting your ID card for verification is very high. I submitted my ID card that carries my name as it was written on the ID card, though that was not how it was arranged on my Paga account, but I submitted the ID card, and after 7 days I got this information that my name has been updated. Once I received this information, then I came up to this place, to my Paga account. I click on this button. Now here you see this PayPal account. You see a plus button here. Now click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, then follow the on-screen process, you'll be able to link up your Paga account. Meanwhile, I've made a complete tutorial on that, and I will drop the link to that tutorial in the video description. So just very simple instruction: reach out to PayPal customer services that you want to change your legal name, and they will send you a form, or you just ask a form and they will respond to you. After 7 days, guys, your legal name will be changed. That's all, guys. That is how to fix the issue of mismatch name on PayPal and Paga accounts. If you enjoyed this tip and don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.